Okay, let's discuss your answer for the starter. Let's try. Jihan Asti. What is important to you? Apa yang menurut kamu paling penting sampai ke yang paling tidak penting? Order this fact. Order this thing.
For me, the most important thing is having family.
Family, not having
Yeah.
family. Family. Okay. And
Money.
then money.
Being healthy.
Being healthy. Sorry.
Good friends.
Good friends.
A good job and having fun.
Good job and having fun. It's rather similar to me. For me, the most important thing is family, and then money, and then a good job, and then good friends, and then being healthy, and then having fun. Okay, let's try another. Ni Putu Marsila. What about you? Ni Putu Marsila, do you hear me?
Yes. The most important, I think, family. And then money.
Money.
Being healthy.
Being healthy.
A good job.
A good job.
Good friends.
Good friends.
And then the most important is having fun.
The most important is having fun. Okay, good. It's no problem. Everybody has different opinion. Pendapat orang beda-beda. Jadi nggak harus sama. Okay, let's go on to exercise 1. I love what I do. We are learning present tenses and also have and have got. Perhatikan bedanya have dengan have got ya. Kita akan belajar present tense sekaligus mengenal perbedaan have dengan have got. Okay, exercise 1. Look at the picture of Ruth flowers and Fraser Doherty. What's remarkable about them? Who likes going to clubs? Who makes jam? These are two texts. The first one is about Ruth flowers. This is Ruth flowers. And the second one is Fraser Doherty. This is Fraser Doherty. Okay, now try to answer the questions. What's remarkable about them? What's remarkable about Ruth flowers, do you think? Kira-kira yang remarkable itu menonjol. What remarkable about Ruth flowers, do you think? Dilihat gambarnya, nggak usah dibaca teksnya, harusnya bisa. Enggak. Ya kalau nggak tahu ini aja. Who likes going to club? Ruth or Fraser? Who likes going to clubs? Siapa yang suka? Ruth. Okay. Who makes jam? Jam itu apa? Bukan jam ini ya. Jam itu apa? Who makes jam?
Selai.
Selai ya. This is the super jam. Ini super jam. Punya Fraser Doherty. Okay, so Ruth likes going to clubs while Fraser makes jam. Now, read and listen to the article about Ruth. Saya akan putarkan audionya, kalian baca sambil dengarkan. Terus nanti jawab pertanyaannya, how old is she? What does she look like? What does her family think of her? 3 pertanyaan ya, dijawab ya. Silahkan dibaca teksnya sambil saya putarkan.
Unit 2, Tape Script 2.1. Mammy Rock, the Granny DJ.
Ruth Flowers is not an ordinary grandmother. She's in her 70s and has silver hair and bright red lipstick. She's a DJ and works in clubs in Europe and tours festivals. She lives alone in Bristol. She says,
I've got a son and a grandson. They think what I'm doing is very cool.
she likes rock bands, such as Queen and the Rolling Stones. But she also plays electro and dance music.
I love being with young people,
She says.
They've got so much energy and enthusiasm.
She's planning another European tour and is currently making a new single.
I'm having a lot of fun.
She says.
I don't want it to stop.
Okay, let's discuss the question. How old is she? Berapa umurnya?
70.
Ya, ini di teks dibilang she's in her 70s, 70-an artinya ya. Kalau 70, 70, kalau 70s 70-an, mungkin 73, mungkin 75 gitu ya. 71 gitu. She is atau she's 70s gitu boleh. Dia berumur 70-an. What does she look like? Apa kalau ini?
She has silver hair and bright red lipstick.
She has silver hair and bright red lipstick. Ya, itu look like atau penampilannya atau penampakannya. And what does her family think of her? What does her family think of her?
They think that she is cool.
They think that she's cool. Yeah. They think what I'm doing is very cool. They think what I'm doing is very cool. Okay, good. Now let's read and listen to the article about Fraser. Sekarang saya akan putarkan yang ini. Fraser Doherty, silahkan dibaca teksnya dan didengarkan audionya. Dan nanti dijawab pertanyaan ini. What is his company? How old was he when he started it? What does his charity do? Ini ya, pertanyaan ini dijawab. Apa nama perusahaannya? Berapa umur dia ketika dia memulai bisnisnya? What does his charity? Apa lembaga yang dia lakukan? Oke, this is the article about Fraser Doherty. Saya akan putarkan audionya.
Tape Script 2.2. The Super Jam Millionaire.
Fraser Doherty is an extraordinary young man. He has his own company, Super Jam, which he started when he was just 16.
I earn more money than my parents.
He says his company makes jam, 500,000 jars every year, using a secret recipe from his grandmother. All the major supermarkets sell his products. The business is growing fast. 4 flavors at the moment, but more on the way. And he has a charity that organizes huge tea parties for old people, with live music and dancing.
At the moment, I'm very busy. I'm writing a cookbook. I've got an idea for a TV program, and we're trying to get into the American market.
Okay, let's discuss the question. What is his company?
His company is Super Jam.
His company is Super Jam. Good. How old was he when he started it?
He started when he was just 16.
He started when he was just berapa?
16.
16, yeah. Okay, good. What does his charity do?
His charity organized the parties for all people with live music and dancing.
Yeah, his charity organizes huge tea parties for people with live music and dancing. Okay, good. Tadi sudah mengamati bedanya have dengan have got enggak? Bedanya have dengan have got. Kalau ini misalnya Anne has silver hair and bright. Kalau yang tadi ada I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Kalau have artinya mempunyai ya. Kalau I've got artinya apa? I've got an idea. Ini ada he has a charity that organizes. Ini ada I've got an idea. Bedanya apa? Have dengan have got. Have dengan have got. Kalau ini I've got a son and a grandson. Has silver hair. Bedanya apa? Ini aja. Grammar spot number 3. Find the examples of have and have got in the text. Is have got more formal or informal? More spoken or written? Sebenarnya have dan have got itu artinya sama, sama-sama mempunyai. Bedanya ada di gaya ya atau style. Pertanyaan is have got more formal or informal? Have got itu lebih formal atau lebih informal? Have got artinya yang mempunyai, sama kayak have. I've got a son. Kalau ini I've got an idea for a TV program. Lebih apa? Kalau I've got itu lebih formal or informal? Formal itu baku, informal tidak baku. Lebih resmi, formal itu resmi, informal tidak resmi. Lebih apa? Have got itu lebih apa dibanding have? Lebih formal or informal? More formal or more informal? Lebih apa? Have got itu lebih informal ya. Lebih formal yang have. Kalau have got itu kurang informal. More spoken or more written? Have got itu lebih spoken. Spoken itu gaya spoken ya. Gaya bahasa lisan. Kalau written itu gaya bahasa tulis. Spoken itu lisan, written itu tulis. Lebih spoken atau lebih written? Have got itu.
Spoken maybe, sir.
Lebih spoken, oke, good. Jadi kalau dalam apa ya, dalam omongan obrolan gitu, lebih sering digunakan have got daripada have. Ya, itu sih bedanya. Oke, next. Sekarang kita ke grammar spot. Let's repeat from number. Kita ulangi dari number 1. Which two present tenses are used in the text? Find examples of both. Ada 2 jenis present di teks. Coba, apa sama apa? Misalnya ini. Ada 2 jenis present. Misalnya simple present, yang mana contohnya? Simple present.
Present continuous.
Simple present sama present continuous ya. Simple present contohnya apa?
She lives.
Apa?
She lives
alone in Bristol.
She lives alone in Bristol. Oh ini ya. Ini simple present. Dia tinggal sendirian di Bristol. Lagi. Banyak artinya. They think what I'm doing is very good. They think ini kan simple present. Kalau what I'm doing, nah ini present continuous. Nah lagi, yang mana contoh lagi?
She likes rock bands.
She likes rock bands such as Queen and the Rolling Stones. Kalian tahu nggak Queen, grup rock, grup band rock Queen tahu nggak? Ada yang tahu Queen? Kalau ini tahu nggak? Lagunya Queen ini yang terkenal. Yang ini. We are the champions, my friends. We keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. Tahu nggak lagunya? Lagunya Queen itu.
Tahu, Pak.
Ya, kalau Queen nggak tahu, tapi kalau lagunya tahu. Kalau Rolling Stones tahu nggak? Rolling Stones. Rolling Stone itu lagunya ya banyak yang agak terkenal sih, tapi nggak ada yang meledak kayak Queen. Rolling Stone itu biasanya orang mengenal Rolling Stone dari logonya yang gambar lidah melet itu, gambar lidah melet. Coba ya saya carikan sebentar. Gambar lidah melet itu kan Rolling Stone. Nah ini loh, pernah lihat gambar kayak gini nggak? Ini yang terkenal Rolling Stone ini logonya. Ini orang-orang tua banget, tapi masih sering konser juga. Oke, kembali ke yang tadi, Queen and Rolling Stones. Ya, tadi apa? She likes rock bands, gitu ya, such as itu simple present. Kalau yang present continuous, ada lagi selain tadi, I'm doing, present continuous. Ada lagi enggak? Ada ini mana?
She's planning another European tour.
She's planning another European tour. Ya, ini present continuous. Ada lagi?
I'm having a lot of fun.
I'm having a lot of fun. Ini juga and is currently making a new single. Ini kan juga is ada currently-nya sih. Apa disisipi adverb currently, tapi ini tetap present continuous ya. Is making atau is currently making. I'm having a lot of fun juga present continuous. Kalau I don't want it to stop, ini present simple atau present continuous? I don't want it to stop. Simple present ya. Kadang ada yang untuk simple present, ada yang present simple. Sama itu ya. Dua-duanya boleh. What about the next, the second text about Fraser Doherty? The text about Fraser Doherty. Find other examples of simple present dulu. Tarik yang simple present mana? Mana? Ini banyak toh. Simple present. Ini juga loh. Fraser Doherty is an extraordinary young man. Ini juga simple present begini. Is, predicate-nya is. Ini present simple juga. Contoh yang lain. Mana contohnya?
He has his
own company. Ya, ini simple present juga. Lagi masih banyak.
I earn more money.
I earn more money than my parents. Ya, ini juga simple present.
His company makes jam.
His company makes jam. Ya, ya oke sudah. Sekarang yang present continuous. Mana yang present continuous?
The business is growing fast.
The business is growing fast. Ya, bisnis itu tumbuh cepat, berkembang pesat gitu ya. Berkembang pesat. Ada lagi?
We are trying to get into the American market.
Ya, we are trying to get into the American market. Ini juga I'm writing a cookbook. Nah, ini juga present continuous. I'm writing a cookbook. Ya, oke. Grammar spot number 2. Look at the sentences. Which refers to all time, which refers to now. Kapan yang mengacu ke all time, setiap waktu. Kapan yang mengacu ke saat ini. He makes a lot of money, all time or now. He makes a lot of money. Ini all time ya. Jadi ini simple present mengacunya ke all time. Setiap waktu, maksudnya ya kemarin, hari ini, besok gitu ya. Dia itu makes money itu artinya tiap hari dia menghasilkan uang. Kemarin, hari ini, besok, dan seterusnya. She's making another single. Kalau ini refers to now. Ini present continuous mengacu ke sekarang. He has his own company. Dia mempunyai perusahaannya sendiri. Berarti ini refers to all time, and she's having a good time refers to now. Find examples of have and have got in the text. Ya, ini tadi sudah. Okay, let's go to exercise 4. Work with a partner. Ask and answer questions about Ruth and Fraser. Ini kita disuruh bikin pertanyaan dan juga jawabannya. Coba kalian kerjakan dulu yang ini. Ini dilengkapi ya. Ini ada pertanyaan tapi belum lengkap. Disuruh bikin kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan kata misalnya number 1, what dan do. Sehingga kalimatnya di what does Ruth do? Terus jawabannya she's a DJ. Itu ya, yang tentang Ruth ini nomor 1 sampai 6 ini dibikin kalimat tanya tentang Ruth beserta jawabannya. Yang Fraser juga 6, bikin kalimat tanya tentang Fraser dan beserta jawabannya. Oke, yang ini silahkan dikerjakan dulu ya. Teksnya yang ini kalian sudah punya materinya tuh nih. Kalau belum ya ini di screenshot dulu. Di screenshot dulu yang ini. Sudah, sekarang yang ini. Ya, kerjakan 6 pertanyaan dan jawaban tentang Ruth dan 6 pertanyaan dan jawaban tentang Fraser. Saya kasih waktu berapa? 10 menit. 10 menit cukup ya, atau 12 menit. Silakan dikerjakan dulu, nanti 12 menit lagi kita bahas. Okay, your 12 minutes is up. Now let's discuss your answers. The first one, let's discuss your questions and answers about Ruth. Number 1, what does Ruth do? She's a DJ. And number 2, let's try Kinanti Azarin. Kinanti Azarin, do you hear me? Kinanti? Okay, Nadia Areta.
Yes, sir.
What is your question and answer for number 2?
Where does Ruth work?
Where does work? Ada subjeknya itu. Where does? Kok nggak ada subjeknya?
Where does Ruth work?
Where does Ruth work? Atau kalau kalimat pertama tadi sudah menyebut Ruth, sekarang boleh diganti dengan she. Where does she work? Jawabnya apa?
She works in clubs in Europe and tour festival.
Ya, she works in a club in Europe and apa tadi? And tours festivals. Okay, good. Next, number 3, let's try Rangga Zulfikar. Rangga, do you hear me? Enggak ada. Let's try Reni Trirahayu. Reni Trirahayu. Ada juga. Mak store nama terus hilang. Safa Afrila. Safa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is...
How many children does Ruth have?
Ya. How many children does Ruth have? Atau Ruth-nya ganti si aja biar enak. Coba diganti si, jangan pakai Ruth.
Okay, how many children does she have? She has a son.
She has a son atau she has one son karena pertanyaannya
One
how
son.
many ya. How many? She has one son. Okay, good. Next, number 4. Winona Paras, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Number 4.
What genre of music does she like? She likes rock bands.
Yeah, what sort of music does she like? She likes rock band. Okay, good. Next, number 5. Adinda Dila. Enggak ada enggak Adinda Dila? Jihan Asti.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, number 5.
Why does she like young people so much?
Why does she like
Because they
Because they apa?
less.
Because they
Why does she like young
dan
people
juga
so much?
because
They're so energetic and
enthusiastic. Yeah, because they are energetic and enthusiastic. Ya, atau seperti ini juga boleh, because they got so much energy and enthusiasm. Karena mereka punya banyak energi dan semangat. Anak muda itu biasanya semangat. Oke, Jovan Rinaldi. Jovan, do you hear me?
Number 6. What is she doing at the moment? She's planning another European tour and is currently making a new single.
Yeah. She's planning another European tour and is currently making a new single. She is planning dengan she's planning itu artinya sama ya. Cuma lebih lebih simple, lebih praktis, lebih sederhana. She's planning. Kita tahu kan she's ini singkatan dari she is. Ini lebih, kalau kita sebut she's gitu lebih natural, lebih alami, lebih English. Daripada she is, lebih bagus kalau she's. Kalau artinya sama sih, cuma kalau she's itu lebih simple, lebih singkat, dan lebih natural, lebih alami. She's planning another European tour and is currently making a new single. Okay, now let's discuss your questions and answers about Fraser. Okay, number 1, Winona Paras, do you hear me?
Yes, sir. What does Fraser do?
What does Fraser do? Ya, jawabnya.
He makes jam.
He makes jam. Ya, boleh. Atau he runs a company that makes jam. Atau he makes jam, boleh. Okay, next, number 2. Shafa Afrila lagi. Shafa.
Yes, sir. How much does he earn?
How much does he earn? Ya. Jawabnya.
He earn money more than He earn money more than his parents.
Ya, he earn money more than his, atau he earns more money than his parents. Ya, boleh, nggak ada ini ya, berapa itu nggak ada ya di teks. Okay, next, number 3. Let's try Sangjani Alivia. Sangjani, do you hear me? Okay, number 3.
How many jars does he make every year?
How many jars does he have? How many jars does he have tadi? Verbnya apa?
Make.
Make, ya. How many jars does he make every year? Jawabnya?
500,000 jars every year.
Ya, it makes 500,000 jars every year. Okay, next number 4, Reni ada, Reni Tirahayu. Rangga Zulfikar. Atau yang lain yang belum saya panggil, ada enggak? Oke, saya lanjutkan. Ni Putu Marsila. Ni Putu Marsila, number 4. Ni Putu Marsila, do you hear me? Oke, Nadia Areta. Sebetulnya
Yes, sir.
sebetulnya saya pengen semua ya ikut jawab, tapi ada beberapa yang cuma setor nama terus hilang, dipanggil-panggil nggak respon. Oke, Nadia, number 4.
Whose recipe does he use?
Whose recipe does he use? Recipe itu apa artinya? Resep ya, resep masakan. Kalau resep obat bukan recipe, kalau resep obat itu prescription. Kalau recipe itu resep masakan, resep makanan. Oke, jawabnya whose recipe does he use?
He used a secret recipe from his grandmother.
He uses a secret recipe. Ini 3 sukata ya, bukan resep. Itu 2 sukata. Ini recipe 3 sukata. He uses a secret recipe.
A secret recipe from his grandmother.
Ya, okay, good. From his grandmother. Next, number 5. Kinanti, ada Kinanti? Ada. Jovan Rinaldi? Ada juga.
Number 5.
Number 5, Jovan.
Number 5. What is he writing? He is writing a cookbook.
He is writing a cookbook atau he's writing a cookbook gitu ya. Tidak salah sih kalau he is gitu. Tapi lebih bagus kalau he's writing a cookbook. Oke, good. Number 6. Jihan Asti lagi. Jihan Asti, number 6.
Yes, sir. What's he's trying to do? He's trying to get into the American market.
He's trying to get into the American market. Coba menembus pasar Amerika gitu ya. Kalau bisa tembus pasar Amerika ya bagus. Oke, now let's listen and check. Saya putarkan audionya, kita cek jawaban kalian tadi ya. Ada yang salah atau betul semua. Oke, saya putarkan audionya.
Tape script 2.3. Ruth Flowers.
What does Ruth do?
She's a DJ.
Where does she work?
She works in clubs in Europe.
How many children does she have?
She has 1 son, and she also has a grandson.
What sort of music does she like?
She likes Queen and the Rolling Stones, and she also likes electro and dance music.
Why does she like young people so much?
Because they're so energetic and enthusiastic.
What's she doing at the moment?
She's planning another European tour, and she's making a new single. Fraser Doherty.
What does Fraser do?
He has his own company that makes jam.
How much does he earn?
He earns more than his parents.
How many jars of jam does he make every year?
He makes 500,000 jars a year.
Whose recipe does he use?
His grandmother's. It's a secret recipe.
What's he writing?
He's writing a cookbook.
What's he trying to do?
He's trying to get into the American market.
Ya, oke. Sudah betul semua tadi jawabannya meskipun ada kata-kata yang berbeda, tapi intinya semua betul jawabannya. Oke, now let's go on to exercise 5. Listen to an interview with Ruth. Saya akan putarkan, ini ada audio tentang wawancara dengan Ruth ya. Setelah nanti kalian dengarkan, kalian jawab pertanyaan ini. Does she like being famous? And what do her friends think of her job? Ya, tadi kalian dengarkan, terus setelah mendengarkan kalian harus bisa jawab ini. Does she like being famous? Sama what do her friends think of her? Sama ini juga diisi bagian yang kosong ini. Nanti Ruth bilang, I'm just an old lady, bla bla bla. Ini nanti kita jawab. Kan nanti kita isi yang ini. I date an old woman in an old people's home because it make me happy. It how old you are, itu ya. Saya putarkan, nanti dijawab dua pertanyaan ini. Does she like being famous? Sama what do her friends think of her job? Sama titik-titiknya ini diisi. Oke, saya putarkan.
Tape script 2.4. An interview with Ruth.
Do you like being famous?
Oh, don't be silly. I'm not really famous. I'm just an old lady who's having fun.
But it is unusual for someone your age, if you don't mind me saying, to be DJing in clubs for young people.
Well, I just like the music. And I don't want to be an old woman in an old people's home, watching television all day long and going to church once a week.
Why do you do it?
I DJ because the energy is fantastic. Because I love to see young people enjoying themselves. Because it makes me happy.
Does your family agree with you?
My family thinks it's great. Some of my friends say that it's not right for a woman my age to be wearing these clothes and staying out all night.
And what do you say to them?
I say it's none of their business. It doesn't matter how old you are. If you want to do something, you can.
Oke, kita bahas yang ini. Does she like being famous? Apa yang jawabnya? Does she like being famous? Apakah dia suka menjadi terkenal? Apa tadi jawabnya? Jawabannya bukan suka atau enggak suka tadi, tapi apa tadi? Ketika ditanya ini, si Ruth jawab apa tadi? Does she like being famous?
She thinks that she is not famous.
Ya, she thinks that she is not famous. She's not famous. Atau she doesn't feel to be a famous person. Boleh. Dia tidak merasa terkenal. Dia tidak merasa dirinya terkenal. She doesn't feel to be a famous person. Atau she doesn't think she is famous. Boleh. What do her friends think of her job? Apa yang teman-temannya pikir tentang pekerjaannya? They think, apa tadi?
They think it's not right.
It's not right. Apanya yang tidak right?
Wearing a clothes like not
hers,
really.
Itulah.
Yeah.
They think it's not right wearing clothes like hers, and satu lagi tadi,
Staying out all night.
staying late night, ya. Staying all night, ya, oke, good. Sekarang kita lengkapi ini kalimatnya. I'm just an old lady, apa tadi? I'm just an old lady. Apa tadi? Who's having
fun.
Ya, having fun. Terus I date an old people in an old people's home. Apa ini?
I don't want to be.
Ya, I don't want to be apa woman. Ini tadi ya. I don't want to be I don't want to be an old lady, an old woman in old people's home. Number 3, because it, gampangnya tadi.
It makes
me happy. Because it makes me happy. Number 4, how old you are.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter tadi ya. It doesn't matter how old you are. Tidak masalah berapa umurnya. Okay, now let's go on to exercise 6. Listen to Fraser. Terus nanti dijawab. What does he like about this work? Sama. What does he say about this about friends and family? What does he like about his work? What does he say about friends and family? Sama ini nanti dilengkapi. To me, you really love what. Ya, terus any free time. You a girlfriend. Ini kayaknya si pewawancaranya yang ngomong kayaknya. Oke, saya putarkan step script 2.6.
Tape script 2.5. An interview with Fraser.
Do you like being a businessman?
Oh, yes, I love it. I like the planning, the marketing, the selling. I like meeting people and talking about my business and everything about it.
It seems to me you really love what you're doing.
It's true, I do.
Do you have any free time?
A bit, but not a lot.
What do you do in your free time?
I go out with my friends. I go to clubs. I love walking.
Have you got a girlfriend?
Well, that's none of your business.
Sorry. Who do you live with?
I live with a group of friends in a flat in Edinburgh. It's not far from my parents' house.
Do you see much of your parents?
I see them all the time. We're very close.
Okay. Let's discuss about it. What does he like about his work? Apa yang disukai tentang pekerjaannya? He likes. Apa tadi banyak banget tadi? He likes planning. He likes
planning, marketing,
selling, meeting apa tadi?
Meeting people and talking about business.
Yeah, he likes everything. And what does he say about friends and family? What does he say about friends and family? Apa tadi dia bilang? Yeah, he likes his friends and family. Tentang teman-temannya dia bilang apa tadi? Dia tinggal bersama teman-temannya ya. Group of friends. He lives with a group of friends. And orang tuanya dia apa tadi? He always meets his parents. Oke, number 1 sekarang. To me you really love what apa ini? Apa tadi?
It seems.
Yeah, it seems to me you really like what apa?
What you are
doing.
What you are doing. What you are doing. And number 2, any free time?
Do you have
any free time?
Do you have any free time? Number 3, you a girlfriend apa nih?
Have you got a girlfriend?
Have you got a girlfriend?
Have you got a girlfriend?
Do you have?
Number 4, do you have?
Do you Do you see much of your parents?
Do you see much of your parents? Okay, good. Next, exercise 7. Ruth and Fraser both use the expression, it's none of your business. What does this mean? What are they talking about? Apa artinya? It's none of your business. Apa itu? It's none of your business.
Bukan urusan kamu.
Bukan urusan kamu. Tadi Fraser bilang ini ketika ditanya apa? It's none of your business. Itu bukan urusan ketika ditanya.
Private things.
Ya, private thing. Have you got a girlfriend? Tadi gitu ya. Kenapa? Nah, itu bukan urusanmu. Kalau si Ruth bilang apa tadi? It's none of their business. Apanya? Ketika ngomongin apa? Ketika ngomongin teman-temannya merasa aneh kalau dia pakai baju-baju kayak baju pesta itu, sama tidurnya larut, terus bilang it's none of their business. Ditanya, apa pendapatmu tentang teman-temanmu yang bilang seperti itu? It's none of their business. Nah, bukan urusan mereka, terserah saya gitu. Okay, now let's go on to the next page. Practice talking about you. Look at the speech bubble with have and have got in the questions, negative and short form. How are the forms different? Bagaimana bentuknya itu berbeda atau bagaimana perbedaan bentuk dari have dengan have got? Oke, kita baca. Do you have a car? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Jadi kalau do you have, apa kamu punya mobil? Jawabannya kalau yes, yes I do. Kalau no, no I don't. Tapi kalau have you got a bike? Apakah kamu punya sepeda? Nah ini kalau yes, yes I have. Kalau no, no I haven't. Ini bedanya ya. Kalau pertanyaannya do you have a car? Jawabannya kalau yes, yes I do. Kalau no, no I don't. Tapi kalau pertanyaan dengan have you got a bike? Sebetulnya artinya sama sih ini. Do you have a car? Apakah kamu punya mobil? Have you got a bike? Apakah kamu punya sepeda? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Jadi bedanya itu, kalau pertanyaannya pakai do, jawabannya kalau yes, yes I do, no, I don't. Kalau pertanyaannya diawali dengan have, jawabannya yes, I have. Atau kalau no, no, I haven't. Terus ada lagi, I don't have a camera. Kalau bentuk negatif, I have a camera, jadi I don't have a camera. Tapi kalau I've got an iPod, kalau negatif jadi I haven't got an iPod. Jadi yang kalau have itu negatifnya jadi don't have. Kalau have got negatifnya jadi haven't got. Itu bedanya. Okay, now work with a partner. Ask and answer questions about this meeting. Oke, bareng-bareng aja ini. Any pets? Kita bikin pertanyaan pakai any pets. Have you got any pets? Gitu ya. Yes, I have. What? Oke, kita coba ya. Kita coba. Ini Reni Trirayu ada. Dari tadi saya panggil-panggil. Tidak ada pada tadi. Ini muncul. Tadi di absen ada, dipanggil-panggil enggak ada. Oke, Reni.
Tadi sinyalnya.
Oke, Reni. Saya nggak pengen alasan. Reni, let's try to make a conversation with me. Dengan saya dulu. Dua pertanyaan.
Yes,
Dua pertanyaan dan dua jawaban. Have you got any pets? Have you got any pets?
No, I haven't.
Sudah selesai kalau no. Oke, Reni dengan Sang Jani ada? Sang
Yes, sir.
Jani. Reni tanya Sang Jani. Kalau ini sih 2 pertanyaan dan 2 jawaban. Yang pakai abide. Abide. Pakai ini, have you got kayak gini. Tapi any pets tadi sudah, sekarang abide. Ini malah hilang. Oke, Sang Jani sama Safa. Safa Aprila. Atau jangan-jangan sinyal saya yang hilang. Maaf, sinyal saya hilang tadi. Kita lanjutkan. Reni Tri Rahayu, Reni, coba tanya.
Yes, sir.
Sang Jani. Sang Jani ada?
Ada, Pak.
Oke, Reni tanya ke Sang Jani. Kalau bisa 2 pertanyaan, 2 jawaban. Sekarang pakai abide ini.
Do you have a bike?
No, I don't. I don't
Selesai
have a
kalau
bike.
ya wes, nggak apa-apa. Sang Jani sama Safa Aprila. Sang Jani
Yes,
tanya
sir.
ke Safa, coba.
Laptop, sir.
Ya, laptop.
All right. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Coba tanya lagi.
Do you have a camera?
No, bukan, yang laptop. Ditanya lebih detail. Mereknya apa, atau harganya berapa, belinya kapan, itu boleh.
When do you buy it?
When did, nggak ada
Do you
subjeknya.
buy it?
When
Buy
did
it.
you buy it?
Okay.
Ya, boleh.
When did you buy it?
I bought it last year.
I bought it last year. Oke, good. Sekarang Safa dengan Winona. Winona, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oke, Safa nanya ke Winona.
Okay. Do you have an iPod? A camera. Sorry, sir. Do you have a camera?
No, I don't.
Nah, sudah kalau mau itu. Kok semua pakai do you ya? Nggak ada yang pakai have got nih. Misalnya kalau spoken lebih apa ya? Lebih enak, lebih natural, lebih alami kalau have you got. Have you got any bike? Have you got a laptop? Itu lebih umum, lebih alami. Meskipun do you have ya tidak salah, cuma lebih enak, lebih bagus kalau have you got. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Sekarang Winona nanya ke Jihan. Jihan Asti ada?
Yes, sir.
Oke, yang an iPod Winona. Pakai have got, jangan do you terus.
All right, sir. Have you got an iPod?
No, I haven't.
Have you got an iPod? Oke, Jihan sama Jovan. Jihan sama Jovan, nanya ke Jovan. Yang credit card nggak usah lah, pasti nggak punya. Ada yang punya credit card. Any brothers and sisters saja.
Pakai have you got, sir?
Ya, pakai have you got.
Have you got any brother and sister?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have. Oke, satu lagi pertanyaan. Biasanya sih how many itu. Kalau have you got punya saudara, punya berapa? Terus gitu.
How many?
How many apa?
How many brother and sister?
Do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Si Jihan baca brother-nya, S-nya yang terakhir itu kurang kelihatan. Brothers and sisters. Nah, gitu.
How many
brothers
and sisters?
And sisters do you have? Oke. Jovan, jawab.
I have a little brother and I don't have a sister.
I have one brother and I don't have any sisters. Gitu bukan one sih. Karena ya any lebih umum. I don't have any sisters. Oke, Jovan sekarang nanya ke Kinanti, ada Kinanti? Oke, ini Putu Marsila ada?
Yes, sir.
Jovan nanya ke Marsila. Yang the teacher a big bag ini. Jovan?
Have your teacher got a big bag?
Have your teacher got a big bag? Marsila?
Yes, he
Yeah.
have.
Yes, he has.
Oh, yes, he has.
He has. Tanya lagi.
What's the color?
What's the color? Ya.
The color is a dark blue.
Nah, it's dark blue. Dark blue itu apa artinya? Biru apa? Biru tua. Ya, biru tua. Kita jarang bilang biru gelap. Biru tua maksudnya. It's dark blue. Kalau bahasa Inggris biasanya kalimatnya bukan the color is. Kalau bahasa Inggris itu jarang bikin kalimat gini. The color is dark blue. Tapi langsung aja it's dark blue. Warnanya biru tua itu nggak pakai the color, langsung it's dark blue. Jadi it-nya itu maksudnya tasnya tadi. The bag is jarang bahasa Inggris pakai kata-kata the color gini misalnya. Nggak bagus, nggak umum. Langsung aja it. Oke, next yang your parents holiday home. Marsila nanya ke Rangga, ada? Rangga Zulfikar. Rangga ada nggak? Oke, Reni lagi. Reni Trirahayu ada?
Yes, sir.
Ya. Marsila tanya ke Reni.
Does your parents have a holiday home?
Yes,
they. Jangan salah ini pertanyaan. Jangan does your parents have. Your parents itu kan plural. Orang tua itu maksudnya ayah dan ibu. Jadi kita ganti dengan they. Kalau pronoun ini jadi diganti dengan they. Jadi bukan has tapi have.
Have.
Ya, itulah. Have your parents.
Your parents got a holiday home.
Sebentar, jangan putus-putus.
Yes.
Diulangi. Satu kalimat jangan diputus, jangan have your parents have, jangan coba langsung. Si Marsila diulangi.
Have your parents? I can use have again.
Boleh, do boleh, tapi kalau does tadi kan kamu pakai does. Kalau does kan untuk subjek yang he atau she atau if, ini kan subjeknya they, nggak boleh pakai does. Do boleh, have boleh, nggak boleh has, nggak boleh does. Tapi kamu pakai does soalnya itu salah. Does your parents, nah itu salah. Pakai do boleh, pakai have boleh.
Do your parents have a holiday home?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where or when?
Where? Holiday home itu kan rumah.
Oh.
Rumah liburan atau villa kalau kita. Orang kamu punya
Oh,
villa
yes.
enggak?
In Bogor.
In Bogor. Okay, good. Oke, yang bawahnya speaking, exchanging information, kita lewat aja. Next, yang ini sekarang. Some verbs don't usually take the present continuous. Ada beberapa verb, banyak ya. Banyak verb tertentu itu biasanya tidak muncul sebagai present continuous. Misalnya mempunyai, saya punya sepeda gitu, I have a bike, bukan I'm having a bike ya. Itu biasanya tidak atau hampir tidak pernah muncul dalam bentuk present continuous. Nggak pernah I'm having a bike. Kalau I'm having dinner itu bisa, itu artinya saya sedang makan malam. Tapi kalau mempunyai itu biasanya tidak pernah atau hampir tidak pernah muncul dalam bentuk present continuous. Itu ya. Ini ada thing, mean, ini biasanya tidak muncul dalam bentuk present continuous, tapi cuma simple present aja. Love misalnya, itu I love you, jarang. I'm loving you, itu jarang. Need juga, saya misalnya I need phone, saya butuh telepon. Atau saya butuh waktu, I need a time to rest. Bukan I'm needing, itu jarang banget. Tapi I need, itu ya. Coba ini gampang sih, kita kerjain bareng-bareng aja. What time is it? I don't know, sorry. Number 2, I'm thirsty. Apa ini? I need ya. Yang jelas ini tidak dalam bentuk present continuous. I need a drink. Number 3, I read your bag. Where did you get it?
I love your bag.
I love your bag. Aku sangat suka. Love itu sangat suka kalau ini. Bukan mencintai. Maksud aku mencintai tasmu aneh. Aku sangat menyukai tasmu. Where did you get it? Number 4, I read Thomas is stupid.
I think Thomas is stupid.
I think Thomas is stupid. Menurutku Thomas itu bodoh. I think he's very clever. I
don't agree. I think he's very clever.
Ya, aku nggak setuju. I don't. Aku tidak setuju. Jadi agree itu verb ya. Kalau negatif jadi I don't, bukan I'm not. Bukan I'm not agree. Tapi I don't agree, karena agree itu verb. I don't agree. I think it's very clever. Number 5, her English isn't very good. I take her. Apa ini? I mean her. Her English isn't very good.
I'm not believer.
Apa? I'm not understand her. Ini understand kan verb, jangan I'm not.
English isn't very good. I don't understand.
I don't understand ya. I don't understand. Dia bahasa Inggrisnya jelek, tidak bagus, jadi aku tidak paham. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Okay, next, number 6. He's very rich. He had a house in Mayfair. He's very rich. Dia sangat kaya. Terus apa? He's very rich. Dia mempunyai.
He owns.
He owns, ya. He owns. Dia memiliki. He owns. He owns a house. He owns a house in Mayfair. 7. You get sad. What's the matter?
You look sad. What's
You look
the matter?
sad. Kau nampak sedih. What's the matter? Apa yang terjadi? Number 8. Sorry, I forgot your birthday. Don't worry. It
Doesn't matter.
It apa? Bukan it don't matter.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter ya. It doesn't matter. Tidak masalah. Number 9. I'm 64 years old. I think that you don't look a day over 60. Apa ini?
I don't believe.
I don't believe you. Ada orang bilang, I'm 74 years old. Umurku itu 74 tuh. Temennya, I don't believe you. Nggak percaya. I don't believe you. You don't look a day over. Kamu kayak nggak lebih dari 60 tahun. Number 10. I don't understand. Learn by heart. What? I don't understand. Learn by heart. Aku tidak bisa menghafal. What apa? Aku tidak paham. What apa? What does it mean? Ini. What does it mean? Aku nggak paham learn by heart. Learn by heart itu maksudnya apa? What does it mean? Apa itu maksudnya? What does it mean? Okay, next, let's go on to exercise 5. Check it. Take the correct sentence. Gampang ini, nggak pakai listening ya. Langsung aja. Take the correct sentence. Number 1. Angela lives with her parents. Angela lives with her parents. Which one is the correct answer? The upper or the lower? Yang atas apa? The upper one or the lower one?
Lower one.
The lower. The lower ya, yang bawahnya. Next, number 2. Where do you go on holiday or where you go on holiday? Upper or lower?
Upper.
Upper ya. Kenapa yang salah? Karena nggak pakai do. Harusnya kan pakai kata bantu do. Where do you go on holiday? Number 3. She doesn't work here anymore or she no works here anymore. Which one is the correct sentence? Upper or lower? Upper ya. She doesn't work, she no works itu ada. Number 4. He's at the bus stop. He waits for a bus. He's at the bus. Upper or lower?
Lower.
Lower ya. Kalau dia lagi ada di halte bis. He's berarti dia sedang menunggu, bukan he waits. Kalau waits kan berulang kali tiap hari. Mungkin dia tiap hari naik bis, tiap hari tunggu di halte ya bisa aja. He waits for a bus. Tapi kalau pokoknya he's at the bus stop ini maksudnya kan sekarang. He's at the bus stop. Nah, berarti he's waiting for a bus. Dia sedang menunggu bis. Number 5. I'm liking black coffee. I like black coffee. Upper or lower?
Lower.
Lower ya. Like, suka itu juga hampir tidak pernah muncul dalam bentuk present continuous. Jadi like gitu aja, bukan I'm liking. Number 6. I don't have got a phone or I haven't got a phone.
Lower.
Lower ya. Kalau sudah don't have ya nggak usah pakai got. Kalau haven't, got. I haven't got a phone. Kayaknya untuk hari ini sudah aja, sudah cukup ya. Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita akhiri? Kita sampai halaman 16. Setelah ini masuk lagi. Hari Senin bisa ya? Senin masuk bisa ya? Kalau misalnya minggu depan itu kan hari libur kan, hari Rabu kan tanggal merah ya. Kalau minggu depan itu misalnya kita Senin masuk bisa.